Okay, looking for a good car for under 5 grand? What about a 2005 Pontiac Vibe with only 100,000 miles on it? It's a 2-owner, very well cared for, non-smoker. It's not all rusted out. This may or may not have been the car the Beach Boys were thinking about when they wrote the song Good Vibrations. But whether that's true or not, check this thing out. It comes with our service contract warranty. Good anywhere in the country. Fold down rear seats. Look at that, all that space. This does fold flat down. It's a very nice car, gets great gas mileage. It's clean. We take all forms of payments and or trades. If you need help with financing, we can also help arrange that. No matter if you have good credit, bad credit, no credit. So come check us out at Tempest Motors, where we now specialize in out-of-state rust-free automobiles and trucks. Everything we sell comes with an extended service contract, 3 months, 3,000 miles. You can extend these up to 36 months, 36,000 miles. It's your choice. Thanks for looking.